Your tech just told you the compressor is bad. The quote is $500 or more. Is it worth it? Here's the honest answer. First, what does the compressor do? It's the heart of your fridge. It pumps refrigerant through the system to remove heat. Without it, nothing cools. It's the most expensive single component. Compressor replacement costs $400 to $700 on most brands. Samsung and LG tend to be on the higher end. Whirlpool and GE are slightly cheaper. Here's when to repair. If your fridge is under 7 years old, the compressor repair is usually worth it. A new mid-range fridge costs $800 to $1,500. A $500 repair gets you several more years. Here's when to replace. If your fridge is over 10 years old, don't do it. Other components, fans, thermostats, control boards, will start failing too. You'll throw $500 at the compressor and then spend another $300 on something else 6 months later. The gray zone is 7 to 10 years old. At that age, it depends on the brand. Premium brands like Sub-Zero, Viking, and Miele are built to last 20+ years. Repairing those always makes sense. Budget brands, probably not. Always check the warranty first. Many manufacturers cover compressors for 5 to 10 years. LG extended theirs due to a lawsuit. We always give honest repair or replace advice. If it's not worth fixing, we'll tell you. Same-day diagnosis. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.